Adding an Airflow instance in AAI is similar to adding any other automation engine. You just specify the connection information, and AAI will automatically grab all of the DAGs and the tasks that are defined in that underlying Airflow instance and begin to monitor them, allow you to provide SLAs on them, etc. So I think the best way to show you this is in a demonstration. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration of Airflow within AAI. So what I'm about to demonstrate is an AAI instance. This is a version 6.5.2 instance of AAI, which is the latest release, released on March 8th of 2024. And this is the first release of AAI that supports Airflow. So right now we're looking at the system monitoring screen, and this instance that I'm demonstrating from is an internal engineering instance, so it has many different types of automation engines that have already been added to it. You can see that there are CA7 instances, there are atomic automation instances, title scheduler, and then you'll notice that there's an Airflow instance that's been added. This one happens to be a Google Cloud Composer version of Airflow that we've added to this particular AAI instance. And so you can add as many as you would like, and all of your Airflow instances will coexist with your other automation, both distributed and mainframe solutions. So really, it's as simple as if you want to connect an Airflow instance to AAI, you just would go to the Add Scheduler dialog. You would give a name to your instance, so I'll just call it my Airflow instance, and you would pick Airflow as your scheduler type. So it's, from AAI's perspective, it's just another type of automation engine. Once you've selected that, you have the option to choose the provider. So you will, right now, we support Apache Airflow, which is the native Airflow solution, as well as Google Cloud Composer. And we will be adding support for MWAA in the near future. So depending upon which type you pick, you're going to have different authentication types. For Apache Airflow, there's the basic authentication type as well as OAuth 2. And you'll notice that depending, again, on the authentication type, there'll be different types of fields that you need to fill out in order to connect. So for OAuth 2, you need to provide an endpoint, a client ID, a client secret, and a scope, etc. And then if I go to Google Cloud Composer, you'll notice that Google Cloud Composer uses a service account key, and you would provide the endpoint and the service account key to AAI. So once you've configured your Airflow instance, really it appears within AAI like any other scheduler, and you can begin to create SLAs and manage your DAGs accordingly. So if I go over, for example, to the timeline view within AAI, you'll notice that there's several different business areas, and each of them, we're monitoring them to see how many SLAs are currently running, have recently completed, and are forecasted to complete. And within the Acme business area, you'll notice that I've got two job streams or SLAs that are running and are predicted to be late. So if I drill into Acme pricing, what you'll see is that within the Acme pricing business area, we have several different job streams or SLAs. And what is of interest here is that this is a combination of job streams that are in Airflow as well as job streams that are in other schedulers. So this daily pricing job stream happens to be an Airflow DAG, and you can see that it's currently running. It started, if you mouse over, you'll see the exact time that it started at 7:30 p.m., and it's predicted to end at 1:30 p.m. So this runs overnight, and it's just about finished at the time that I'm running this right now. And you can see the now line is bisecting this execution. This happens to be an entire DAG. If we were to click on it, we can drill into it, and you'll see all of the tasks within the DAG. The red ones are in the critical path. This is all just standard functionality that's part of AAI that allows you to monitor and see predictions for your various SLAs. So this one is running late, and you can get various information. I'm not going to do a full demonstration of all of the AI functionality today. I just wanted to show you that you'll see your Airflow DAGs as if you in the same way that you would see any of your distributed or mainframe solutions. And as a matter of fact, within this Acme pricing business area that we're looking at, not only do I have my Airflow job streams, I also have an AutoSys job stream, as well as this happens to be an ESP job stream. So if my pricing line of business was serviced by multiple automation solutions, mainframe distributed as well as cloud native, I can combine them all into a single line of business, monitor them, set SLAs, report on them as a whole. So you really do get this unified visibility across all of your platforms in a single view. So that's what I wanted to demonstrate today, just to show Airflow in the context of AI. So thank you so much for your time and attention.